Make a great choice today with the 2018 Traverse. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.